My name is Rev Dr Barry King, and I'd like to welcome you to this episode of Quantum Physics and Spiritual Life. Today's episode is called Toward a Unified Understanding. Quantum science seeks a single theory that unites all forces of nature, a grand synthesis explaining the whole. Beneath complexity lies a yearning for the one. Spiritual life has always begun from that unity. God is one, and all is within God. Mystics see the universe as the divine knowing itself through creation. The search for unity is the soul's memory of its source. Science and spirit walk the same path from different directions, one from reason, the other through revelation. Both lead to the same truth. Everything is connected, purposeful, and sacred. Unity is not merely a concept, it is the living heart of existence. I thank you for allowing me to share this with you. And may the Lord bless you and keep you. God bless.